Hi, I'm Jim Austin.
I'm Kim Austin, and we are here to talk about our experience with the Calgary Stampede. We participated in the Calgary Stampede because we had such a fabulous time with the Mule Days, and we met people that we still talk to and talk about today, and we look forward to seeing them again on the next tour that we take.
Future tours, yeah.
Yeah. The best part about Calgary is that we talked about going for such a long time, and when we went, we experienced things that we would not have experienced had we not been with the tour company. And it seemed like with Fantasy that they took a combination of what the past guests had said as well as the past ambassadors and made the program as best as they could. And we had great entertainment. But I think that what they did mainly is that they used a lot of the experience from all of the past tours, and every time they had a new tour, they made it even better because they were fine-tuning all the time. So,
And besides the Stampede, there was a lot of, great side tours and trips that they took us on, which, if I had been creating the tour myself, we would have never seen. And Glacier was
oh my gosh, over the top beautiful.
phenomenal. If you haven't been to Glacier, go to Glacier.
And the campgrounds that we stayed at were fabulous. That, it takes a lot of time to organize and a lot of money when you do that on your own. And we felt like we got a great value with Fantasy because of everything that we experienced.
Agreed.
And the side trips that they said that we could take that we wouldn't have known had we just been going on our own.
So,
We'd do it again. It was
and
great.
and we'll do it again.
Right.
So.